Okay guys, welcome back to the mill. We're going to take a break from the kiln building today. We got to do some sawing. Customer dropped off 3 white oak logs. Wind blew the tree over a few weeks ago. This one's 10 foot long, 24 inches on the big end, about 20 on the small end. Customer just wants 1-inch boards, one by whatever we can get out of it. So this will be a real easy saw. You'll probably see me flip this log a good bit, trying to keep a good square face. We'll turn and saw till we get, trying to kind of box the heart a little bit. We'll saw here, then here, then here. Just keep working our way around it. But we appreciate you tuning in. We already got started without you. Like I said, we do YouTube, but we sawmill first. So we already had one little stack this morning. Wasn't much. 200 feet of 2x6 is small order, but you know, they all pay. Got to take care of customers. Yes, Matthew is here today. But like I say, we appreciate you tuning in, and let's break this log down and make it go away. Thanks, guys. Okay, thanks guys. I forgot to mention it, but we'll be running a Turbo 7 from Joe Main, double hard. I run, as you know, I run a LT35, but we're running 55 thousandths Turbo 7s. WoodMizer does not recommend it. I don't know whether Joe Main does or not, but I run them. I love them. They are just a little, you lose just a little bit on horsepower, but cut quality is so much better. Well, like I say, we're running an 0.55 1/4 by 158 Turbo 7 from Joe Main. It's a wonderful blade. If you're having any cut quality on your smaller mills, 35s, 40s, 50s, I recommend trying a thicker blade. I won't recommend it if you're paying to resharpen. These blades, you don't need to run them as long. I think your cycle time needs to be less, but if you're resharpening your own, no big deal. Run it 30 minutes, run it an hour, take it off. But so far, Matthew and I really like them. Matter of fact, there's another new box sitting right there in the corner. It just came in from Joe Main. So let's put them to the test. Thanks, guys. Okay, guys, that log was great. We got right down towards the center and it started getting a little punky. Typical white oak. It had some imperfections, but still beautiful grain. So we cut 8s and 10s on the mill. I got a couple 12s there. We're gonna edge these out. That'll be the end of it on this log. Okay guys, we finished up that log. You just watched Matthew and I run it through the edger. To me, that seems a lot quicker than trying to put them back up on the mill. If they were all going to be like 8-inch boards, yeah, it'd probably been quicker to gang 10 of them up there, but they ended up being 12s, 10s, 8s, 6s. I think Matthew even got 1 4. So too random to be worth the trouble to put back on the mill. That little 10-foot log scaled out 215 board feet, which is not bad. It was our intention to save all we could of it, and I think we did a good job of that. The wood's beautiful. Customer gets some beautiful, clear 10, 12-inch wide boards out of that. But we're gonna run through the rest of them, and I'll holler at you at the end. Thanks, guys. Okay guys, we're back. We got this stack finished up. We had a new customer stop by, so we had to stop for a few minutes, but that's 3 nice wide oak logs. Very beautiful lumber. Hopefully it dries out and looks as good as when it's dry as it does now. Our total board footage was 617 feet out of 2 10-foot logs and an 8-foot log. But we appreciate you tuning in. Got any questions, comments, just leave them below. If you would, we ask that you like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you back at the mill.